how to use the Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use the Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The app gives its players 3 chips to use throughout the season, which can help them boost their score on any given game week. It also gives its players a wild card, which allows players to make an unlimited amount of transfers to their team for 1 week only, when usually they can only make 1 transfer per week. Now, to use the wild card in FPL, you need to first of all make sure you are on the Fantasy tab of the application and then select Transfers from the list of options. In here, you will be greeted by a screen that displays all 15 players that are currently in your squad, along with all of their current prices. This page will also tell you how much money is in your bank so that you know how much you will have to play with. This will update each time you select remove any of your players. Remove all the players that you want to get rid of and then select all your replacements for them, ensuring that you are within the budget. When you are satisfied with your selection, hit the next step button, which will bring up the final stage where you are giving the option to either send points to make your transfers, use the free hit chip, or use your wildcard. Simply select the wildcard option and then hit confirm. Whatever you do, make sure you don't click the spend points option, as this could end up costing you a valuable points that may lose your league title. So, this is how you can use the wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.